Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today I will show you how you can put watercolor in a portrait very easily. First we need to put the skin color, and the skin color is always based on the reference photo, the photo whichever you are doing the portrait. So in my case I am doing the skin color with using crimson lake, scarlet lake and burnt sienna color. With the mixing of these colors I am doing the skin tone. So here you can see in the cheek part also I am giving little much pink color, because in my reference photo the color is reflecting red, that's why. And in the neck part you can see I have given little much dark part because the portion is completely shadow. And now I am going to do the detail of the nose. You can see I am giving layer by layer, and your color should be very light. Okay, so very light you have to give the colors to expose the nose very nicely. So I am doing the color in the eye ears also. For the eyes I am doing giving little much dark color. As you can see, the eyes part is completely covered with shadow, so I am giving dark color. I am doing the mouth part. So as in my reference photo, that person has very thin beard, so that's why I am using gray color. And by mixing of punch sienna and Prussian blue, you can make gray color very easily. So again I am giving the layers on the cheek. So now again I am highlighting little much on the forehead. For the hair I am using brown color, and don't use black color for the hair also. Instead of your black color you can use burnt sienna plus Prussian blue. So now I am doing the detail on the lips also. For the lips I am using burnt sienna and scarlet lake little much. I am giving little much detail on the beard also, as it's trimmed beard, so I am giving very light strokes. Again I am doing on the forehead to express the forehead quite nicely. And by this way, layer by layer, you have to give your colors. And for the watercolor portrait paper you can use handmade paper or ivory sheet, and never leave the eyes completely white. Now I am blending all the colors properly. Again I am giving little much dark tone in the neck part. Now I am doing the lower portion of the nose, because that part is completely shadow. So now I am highlighting those parts. And don't use any dark color directly. Layer by layer you can make that color dark. And don't use black color in watercolor. Instead of black color you can use burnt sienna plus Prussian blue. Now I am giving little much detail in the nose. You can see I am drawing the shadows little much darker. You have to look your reference photo very carefully before putting the colors. Now I am giving little much detail in the lips also, to highlight the lips more. We will do the hair part. So for that hair part you can use a burnt sienna plus Prussian blue. You will get the black color. And don't use the black color directly. Give your colors according to the reference photo. Again below the lips I am giving little much dark tone. And one important thing is that you have to subscribe my channel so that you will get further updates also. Now to enhance the portrait, I am giving background color. First I am giving light tone, as you can see. Now I am giving little much detail on the shirt part. Remember one thing, don't put too much detail in the shirt and other background part, because our main highlight should be the portrait, that is the face. So don't put too much effort for the shirt or whatever wearing it would be there. Always concentrate on the face part first. See my portrait, you can see the background is not matching properly, so for that now I will put another color in that background. So I'm giving little much dark color in the background. So now you can see my portrait is enhancing. So the background color is always should be based on the face. So as you can see, my work is complete. If you find this video is helpful, so you can like also, and you can subscribe my channel, so later on you can get other videos also, because I will keep updating my videos regularly. Thank you everyone.